Hello guys, welcome again, and today we are in Ruiru Kamakis, slightly 1 kilometer from the eastern bypass and 2.5 kilometers from Thika Road, and we are here to say this 5-bedroom townhouses that are in for rent at 120,000 Kenya shillings per month. At the entrance we get this grass lawn and also this sliding gate with also electric fencing for your security purposes. And then at the entrance, we have this parking lot that can fit comfortably 2 cars, cabro paved, well kept. And then on the other side of the entrance, we get this grass lawn, a garden that you can maybe erect there your gazebo. And then that being said, we also get this facade of the house, a striking red and gray, and also this beautiful cladding, Mazera's cladding. Then as we move into the house, at the entrance, you get this elevated entrance with a steel door being complemented with a wooden door, a very big. So as we get into the house, and then as you clock into the house, you get this space that you can provide your stand there for the asashu rag and to hang clothes and stuff like that. And then on the other side, just next to that space, you have this guest cloakroom being complemented with this wooden frame. And then this vanity setup, you have it very beautiful with the white and black being complemented with each other. And then you get the washroom, a spacious toilet seat and space, and you also get another sink inside this room. And then back into our landing area, on the right hand side, you get this spacious sitting lounge or living lounge. Actually, this living lounge is so big. You also on the other side, we have steel windows, very big, almost floor to ceiling, allowing tons and tons of natural lighting. Also, something else in this house is that we get this beautiful gypsum ceiling and gypsum lighting. On the other side of the living lounge, just next to the kitchen, we get this breakfast bar that can fit comfortably between 4 to 6 stools for the breakfast. And then we also have this double volume ceiling with that beautiful chandelier. And then on the other side, we have our spacious dining area just next to the staircase that will lead us to the first and second floor. And then you get this pillar complementing the dining area. The dining area is also spacious enough with this countertop and storage space. And then on the other side of the dining lounge, just below the staircase, you have this space that you can also use as your storage. Opposite the dining area, we have our spacious kitchen. This kitchen is semi-open because it can be accessed from the living area or from the dining area. Then you get this space provided for your cooker and also smoke pot. You can put it over there. And then you have this big double sink next to the window that opens to the backyard so that you always have fresh air whenever you are washing your utensils. And then you get this spacious pantry for your dry foods and cereals. And then let's get to the backyard. Now, as we step into the backyard, we get this clothes hangers, and we also get this mini garden. You can, this will be your kitchen garden, mini garden. And then on the other side, you have this double sink to wash your clothes. And then you also have provision for your machine wash, and the tap is also over there. So that being said, let's get back and check out the first bedroom. Next to the dining area, we have our first bedroom. Spacious enough, with a window overlooking our backyard and kitchen garden. It's ensuite. It also has this spacious cabinetry for the clothes. So this bedroom basically can be used as a nanny room, or your servant can use this bedroom. They also get this big shower cubicle. Now, upon landing on your first floor, you get to see this beautiful chandelier complementing our double volume ceiling. And then on the other side, we get our family room, spacious enough. It also has this balcony, a beautiful one and a spacious, with a floor to ceiling door and window, bringing in natural lighting. And then on the other side, we get our first bedroom on this floor, which will be our second bedroom. This is our second bedroom with a window. The ensuite, and also this spacious storage. Then on this opposite side, we get two more bedrooms. And now to the third bedroom. So on the upper floor, this is the only bedroom that has a balcony overlooking the driveway. Now, upon landing on the third floor, you can see this beautiful staircases, and then on the other side we get our rooftop terrace. But before that, we get our master bedroom on this side with these beautiful floor to ceiling windows complementing the house and bringing in natural lighting. And you get this, all of this spacious bed space for you. And then you also have a balcony that will be overlooking our driveway. This is our balcony for the master bedroom. And then on the other side, we are going to check out the walk-in closet and also the washroom area. So directly into the washroom area, you get this beautiful bathtub, a rectangular bathtub, and we have this vanity setup with a mirror over there and a storage space for the toiletries. You get this toilet seat and also a shower cubicle that is spacious enough. And then on the other side, we have our walk-in closet, big enough and complementary. So that is it for the master bedroom. Let's check in the other side for the rooftop terrace. Now onto the rooftop terrace, we get this space, big enough to host your guests over here. And also on the other side, we get the sink and the worktop. You get the other sink and also a common washroom. So for only 120 Kenya shillings per month, this house could be your new home. In case you are interested, kindly call the number on the screen.